my name is Elysia English and welcome back to my channel. Today I had the opportunity to team up with Cricut. Their mission this year is to make sure that all families are safe while celebrating Halloween. Whether you're trick-or-treating or celebrating at home, Cricut Design Space is there for you to create your own DIYs for your own celebrations. Let's get started. Registering your Cricut Maker 3 and going on the Cricut Design Space is really easy. You can search from a variety of different designs to be able to make your DIY dreams come true. There is literally something for everything. For example, if you want to type in only Halloween designs, you can type in the search bar Halloween and come up with so many different design projects. So these are some of the Halloween designs that I brought up to put onto my canvas that I can now customize and change the size of them, as well as add to these if I'd like. So there you go, and now what I'm going to do is click Make It. And I'm going to cut without a mat. It's going to find my Cricut Maker 3, and it's going to ask me what type of base material I'm going to cut on. So I'm going to use my Smart Removable Vinyl. For this project, I wanted to use the removable vinyl. That way I could use it like a stencil when spray painting over these lanterns.
Wish that I could stay. Wish for this moment to never go away. But it's all in my mind. And though I know that there is nothing to find, you're a beautiful sight in the summer night. And you can't put up a fight in the mist.
Now that my paint was dry, I was able to remove the removable stencil I made. I wanted to make a cute sanitizer pump that would have a Halloween theme that said sanitize this Halloween, to be able to have this sit at the front door when we hand out candy. And I used the permanent vinyl and the Cricut transfer tape to be able to create the image that I wanted to put on the front of the sanitizer jar. Once I got it in place, I pressed it on and then removed the transfer tape. Once I had the cute image on, I removed the cap for the sanitizer and put in some really cute little Halloween erasers that I knew would kind of float in the sanitizing gel inside. I thought this would be really cute just to add that festive vibe. I really wanted to be able to do a contactless Halloween treat giving idea, and so I thought that putting things in little divided baggies was going to eliminate that hand-on-hand touching in the bin at the front door, and so I made these cute little bags that said trick or treat that we could fill with our favorite treats. Next, I used the removable vinyl to be able to create these cute little boo baskets. I weeded out using my Cricut tools and then again used the transfer tape to be able to transfer the image really easily onto these plastic containers. I chose removable knowing that then I could use this for other holidays and just change out the label using the Cricut Smart products.
And you can't put up a fight in the misty light.
Today I had so much fun using the Cricut Maker 3 to create some spooktacular Halloween DIYs. Even though we are staying home this Halloween, we wanted to have a few contactless options to be able to have at the door since we live in such a rural area. So those cute little single-serve treat bags are the perfect solution, as well as that little sanitize this Halloween sanitizer that we will put at the door with our fall and Halloween decorations, which also I was able to use the Cricut Maker for to design our front door space to look so awesome this Halloween. Being able to personalize and customize the things that we create for these small special occasions really makes our house that much more memorable for our children each season.
And I know that my children are going to be so excited to get their boo baskets on Halloween morning, kind of like an Easter basket since we aren't going to be trick-or-treating. I thought it would be a really nice idea to put one of these cute lanterns on their bedside table with their boo basket to wake up to on Halloween morning. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you would like to be part of the Cricut community, you can go down and follow the link in the description box to look at all the different Cricut products and machines that they carry. Thank you so much to Cricut for sponsoring our channel. See you tomorrow.